3. Develop database DAO object. In this video, I want to explain a new concept. DAO, what's that? Data Access Object. Why we need that? First, let me explain this concept in some simple way. Because in our module 3 part B, we need to spend a lot more time on this concept. Here, I just want to mention this is a Java EE design pattern. Design pattern. So what's that? In software development, there are some best practice methods. So they are pretty good. So if you use those methods to develop your software products, you can benefit from the efficiency, a lot of good things. But you're not forced to use them. It's optional, recommended to use. This one is one of the design patterns. So it's called a Data Access Object, DAO, one of the Java EE design patterns. Why? Why use that? Here, let me explain a little bit. Efficiency. All right? If I use simple way to describe it for efficiency. Why is that? Why efficiency? Think about when you write a database query, is it possible you may need to use this particular query in several different Java classes, right? Several different Java classes, right? Then you may write the same database query in different Java classes. That's not efficient. Think about if later you want to change that query, do you need to go to all those Java classes that use the same query? That's not efficient, right? So a much better way, much more efficient way, you want to do this. You want to write one database query only once. Only once. Okay? Yes. That will be more efficient. So it is better put it inside one special class. That special class, this DAO class. All right. Okay. So you put several database queries for one particular table in one class. Then, if you need to use one of the queries for that table, you just call that object. You just use that object, call the method corresponds to that query. How about that? So this way, it will be much more efficient, because later if you want to modify part of the query, you only need to go to one Java class and make the modification. Not going to multiple different Java classes to make the changes. That's not efficient. All right, so here I just say this much explanation. Now, so later, so as I mentioned, module 3 part B, I will explain this DAO concept a little more. Now, there we have examples. So we will use our guest book example to explain this concept. All right, so next we need to develop this special database query class. Now, all right, the first few steps, develop the DL object, create a package like this, then the class name, this one, then in the constructor, we need to connect the database using the standard way. After that, we need to do database query. Okay? Yeah. You know, 2 more steps. Yeah. So we have the code in our instruction file. We just copy and paste. All right, so let us do the development in Eclipse. Now, all right. First, let us create a package. Right click, new package. All right. Change the beans to DAO. Finish. All right, next. Right click, new class. The class name, problem DAO. All right, yeah, problem DAO. All right, finish. All right, now for the code, let us go to our instruction file first. Yeah, the instance variable connection object and the constructor. Yeah, let us take both of them. All right, and put here. Then we need to fix the import classes. All right, connection. Yeah, be careful, select the one in the java.sql package, not other packages. Yeah. Then driver manager from the same package. Yeah, here, not finding it. Yeah, no, yeah, sometimes, you know, the Eclipse could not find it. One way, we import the whole package. How about that? Because driver manager is one of the classes in this package. Unavailable exception, that's in the servlet, Java servlet one. Yeah, java.servlet, this package, import it. Yes. That's all we need. All right, constructor, yeah, connection. Next, yeah, so this is connection. All right. Next, we need to define one query. Yeah. For the query, we need to use variable. Now, this one, why we use this object, I will explain it in our Module 3, Part A, Animal Survey example. I will talk about the details of this one. Okay, yeah. All right, so after we have this instance variable, next we define our query in this way. All right, yeah. Here inside the try block, yeah, we create our query statement in this way. Okay, all right. Save. Okay, all right, yeah. So for this query here, yeah, actually it is one string. All right, although I use plus sign concatenate. So if you just, because they are in the same line, if we remove it, same thing, right? But you should leave a space between order underscore num and from. Leave a space between, yeah. But that is not important, yeah. So we just know this is one statement. If we need to split, yeah, this plus sign, usually when you change line, then you need to put that plus sign. Okay, yeah, yeah. Two strings in two different lines, usually you use that plus sign, right? But be careful, in that situation, you need to split a long statement, query statement. Be careful, this space is needed. Space is needed to separate two different strings. Yeah. So that's the little things in this example. After that, save it. So that is the connection, query definition in the constructor. After that, one last step, the query method. 3.5, list of problem. Yeah. We do the query, put the data stored in a list of Java beans. Yeah. So this method, we need to put it in our DAO object right here. Yeah. But you need to fix the classes to be imported. List in java.util package. No, that's the correct one, the first. All right, yeah. Next. Yeah. The problem, remember, yeah, problem. Java bean, yeah, in this package, imported. Array list in that util, Java utils, that package, imported, right? After, yeah, so we have everything, save it. Yeah. After that, the problem DAO, this Java class, has been developed, ready for next step. Yeah. So let us stop right here.